Have you ever wondered about the strange and beautiful phenomena that occur in nature? We're about to take you on a journey that uncovers 10 such marvels, each more fascinating than the last. From the ethereal glow of bioluminescent beaches to the eerie crimson waterfall in Antarctica's remote wilderness, each of these natural wonders tells a tale of Earth's astonishing diversity and creativity. So sit back, relax, and prepare to embark on a journey through the breathtaking beauty and mystery of our natural world. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing it painted with vibrant hues of green, red, and purple. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a real, breathtaking spectacle known as the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. This natural light show is a result of collisions between electrically charged particles from the sun that enter the Earth's atmosphere, a fascinating interplay of cosmic forces. The northern lights are typically visible in high-latitude regions like Alaska, northern Canada, Iceland, Norway, and other parts of the Arctic and Antarctic. During periods of increased solar activity, the auroras can also be seen at lower latitudes. These ethereal displays are not just limited to the greenish glow we often see in photographs. Depending on the type of gas particles involved, they can also turn red, yellow, blue, or purple. The Aurora Borealis is a spectacular demonstration of nature's artistry. Picture a beach glowing with an ethereal light like a scene from a fairy tale. This isn't the work of special effects, but rather a fascinating natural occurrence known as bioluminescence. But what causes this otherworldly glow? It's all thanks to tiny, light-emitting marine creatures called phytoplankton. When disturbed by waves or movement, these microscopic organisms emit a bright, beautiful light. This is a defense mechanism aimed at startling or distracting predators. Now imagine a whole beach filled with these tiny luminaries, each one twinkling like a star brought down to Earth. Such beaches are found in various parts of the world, including the Maldives, Puerto Rico, and Australia. Each wave that crashes onto the shore illuminates the night with an enchanting glow, creating a spectacle that leaves spectators spellbound. From the microscopic to the cosmic, nature's light shows are truly unparalleled. Bioluminescent beaches are truly one of nature's most magical displays. Imagine stones that move by themselves across a dried lake bed, leaving trails behind them. This isn't the premise of a science fiction story, but a real-life phenomenon in Death Valley, USA. Known as sailing stones, these rocks seem to glide over the landscape with no apparent force propelling them. The trails they leave behind are evidence of their journey. For years, this phenomenon baffled scientists, but the mystery has been solved. It turns out, under specific winter conditions, thin layers of ice form around the stones. As temperatures rise, this ice breaks into large floating panels. The wind then moves these ice panels, and with them the encased stones, creating long trails in the soft mud underneath. This process, however, is slow and almost imperceptible to the naked eye. So, don't expect to see a rock race when you visit. The sailing stones are a testament to the mystery and wonder of our natural world. Visualize a rainbow that appears to be on fire, blazing across the sky. Have you ever imagined such a sight? This is not a figment of fantasy, but a real-life phenomenon known as a fire rainbow. Yet in scientific terms, it's more accurately referred to as a circumhorizontal arc. Despite its fiery name, a fire rainbow isn't related to flames or traditional rainbows. This captivating display is an optical phenomenon, a special spectacle that only occurs under perfect conditions. Let's unravel the magic. Fire rainbows happen when the sun is high in the sky, at least 58 degrees above the horizon. They form when sunlight refracts or bends through flat plate-shaped ice crystals in high-altitude cirrus clouds. As the light exits the crystals, it's refracted again, spreading into individual colors just like a prism. This results in a stunning, fiery arc of multicolored light, giving the illusion of a rainbow ablaze. Fire rainbows are a rare and breathtaking sight to behold. Imagine a place where lightning flashes continuously, almost every night. Welcome to the mouth of the Catatumbo River in Venezuela, home to the world's most persistent electrical storm. This isn't your average lightning storm, oh no. It's a unique spectacle of nature's power known as the Catatumbo lightning. Here's the science behind it. The storm is created by the clash of warm and cold air currents. The heat and moisture from the Caribbean Sea meet the cool air of the Andes Mountains, and this collision creates electrical charges. These charges then ignite an average of 280 times an hour, lighting up the sky with a vivid display that can be seen from miles away. It's not just a spectacle, though. This natural light show also plays a significant role in our planet's ozone layer. The intense electrical activity produces ozone, helping replenish this vital part of our atmosphere. The Catatumbo lightning is a stunning spectacle of nature's power. Picture a waterfall that flows red like blood in the remote reaches of Antarctica. This is no horror movie set, but a natural phenomenon known as the Blood Falls. Nestled in the icy expanse of the Taylor Glacier, this crimson cascade is a sight that startles and fascinates in equal measure. The scarlet hue of the falls isn't due to some mystical force, but rather a scientific process involving iron-rich brine water. This water originates from an ancient reservoir beneath the glacier. As it oozes out, the iron in the water reacts with the oxygen in the air, essentially rusting on contact and turning the waterfall a deep, bloody red. It's a stark contrast to the pristine white surroundings, creating a surreal spectacle. In the heart of one of the planet's most inhospitable places, the Blood Falls serve as a vivid reminder of Earth's uncanny ability to surprise us. The Blood Falls are a startling yet fascinating sight in one of the world's harshest environments. Imagine thousands of fireflies flashing in perfect synchrony, lighting up the night. This isn't a fairy tale, but a spectacular real-life event that occurs annually in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Here, a species of firefly known as Photinus carolinus gather in droves, creating an enchanting spectacle of synchronized illumination. So why do these fireflies flash in unison? It's all about love and communication. Male fireflies flash their lights to signal potential mates, and the females respond with their own flashes. The synchronization improves the male's chances of being noticed by the females, but this synchronized spectacle isn't just a romantic gesture, it's a survival strategy. By flashing in unison, the fireflies create a rhythm that can deter predators. This incredible phenomenon is a testament to the intricate and fascinating ways nature works. It's a rare sight, one that can only be witnessed during a 2-week window in late spring. The synchronized fireflies are a dazzling display of nature's harmony. Visualize a cloud formation so unique it's like nothing you've ever seen before. Picture yourself off the coast of Queensland, Australia, eyes cast towards the sky. Suddenly, you're met with an extraordinary spectacle, the morning glory clouds. These are not your run-of-the-mill fluffy white clouds. Instead, imagine a series of perfectly arranged, tube-shaped formations rolling across the sky like an immense celestial wave. These atmospheric marvels can stretch over 1,000 kilometers in length and can reach up to 2 kilometers in height. But what causes this rare phenomenon? It's all about the perfect blend of sea breezes, humidity, and temperature. As the cool sea breezes meet the warm, humid air over the land, it creates a rolling effect, forming these captivating tube-like clouds. These awe-striking formations are not just a treat for the eyes, but also for the adventurous spirits. Glider pilots from around the world often flock to ride these unique waves of the sky. The morning glory clouds are a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of our atmosphere. Picture a lake that looks like it's covered in polka dots, changing colors with the seasons. Nestled in the heart of the Okanagan Valley in British Columbia, Canada, you'll find the Spotted Lake, a natural wonder that's as intriguing as it is beautiful. This isn't your average lake, it's a saline endorheic alkali lake, which might sound like a mouthful, but it's the reason behind the lake's unique appearance. You see, as summer heat evaporates the water, hundreds of briny pools are left behind, each a different hue based on the mineral composition and concentration. From afar, it seems like a giant artist's palette, dotted with pools of blues, greens, yellows, and even purples. The Spotted Lake has been revered by the indigenous Silks people as a sacred site for centuries, believed to contain therapeutic waters. In the grand scheme of nature's artistry, the Spotted Lake is a masterpiece, a testament to the extraordinary marvels our planet has to offer. The Spotted Lake is a unique spectacle of nature's creativity. Imagine icy tentacles descending beneath the polar waters, freezing everything in their path. This is no scene from a sci-fi movie, but a natural phenomenon called brinicles. Also known as sea ice fingers, these are underwater icicles formed when extremely cold. Saline water is introduced to an area of the ocean with freezing temperatures. The process begins with sea ice, which is essentially frozen ocean water. When salt water freezes, it excludes the salt, creating a brine-rich environment beneath the ice. This super-chilled brine is denser than the surrounding water and sinks, creating a descending plume of cold saline water. As this plume comes into contact with the warmer ocean water, it freezes and forms a hollow tube. This tube continues to grow downwards, creating an icy sheath around the descending plume, a brinacle. Brinicles are a fascinating example of the strange and beautiful phenomena that occur beneath our oceans. From the shimmering lights of the aurora borealis to the eerie depths of the Blood Falls, we've journeyed through 10 of nature's most intriguing spectacles. We've marveled at the mystical glow of the bioluminescent beaches, witnessed the strange journey of the sailing stones, and stood beneath the spectacular fire rainbows. We've been spellbound by the relentless Catatumbo lightning, the synchronized fireflies' dazzling display, and the peculiar polka dots of the spotted lake. These wonders remind us of the astonishing power and creativity of nature, leaving us humbled and inspired.